So x square minus 5x plus 6 was greater than 0 or less than 0? Greater than 0. Correct? So we have to find out all those value of x which can satisfy this inequality. Am I right? That is what the main point is here. So we will break in linear factor, that is the x minus 2 into x minus 3 greater than 0. Coefficient of x must be positive, already positive. Plot the critical point, that will be 2 and 3. Positive, negative, positive. We want positive, so x element of minus infinity to union 3 to infinity. How many have you got it? Next question. 4x square greater than 1. Correct? Now what we'll do? This is not polynomial inequality. Yes or no? This is not polynomial inequality. So to make polynomial, we'll shift one side. We'll get 4x square minus 1 greater than 0. Now we have to factorize. So this we can write what? 2x whole square minus 1 square greater than 0. So we can apply which formula? A square minus b square formula. That is a minus b into a plus b. So we'll get 2x minus 1 into 2x plus 1 greater than 0. So critical coefficient of x must be positive, already positive. Here critical point 1 by 2. Everybody able to understand? So plot it in increasing order. That is the minus 1 by 2. This is the 1 by 2, positive, negative, positive. We want positive, so x element of minus infinity to minus half, union half to infinity. How many of you got it? Next question. What is the next one? X square minus 1 less than 0. Actually, here you wrote answer correctly, but this is the wrong statement. You should follow polynomial inequality. There is a mistake will come. Make sure in the class when I am teaching, should not talk. Otherwise, you will go out of class. X square minus 1 less than 0. So break in, I am doing directly fast. X plus 1 less than 0, critical point minus 1 and 1. We want negative x element of minus 1 to 1. How many have you got it? Next question. Five minus x. Can I take minus common and throw other side? So it will be x minus 5. And original was greater than 0, correct? So now it will become. So critical point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. We want negative. So x element of minus infinity to 1, union 2 to 3, union 4 to 5. How many have you got it? Yes, what happened? Didn't get? Here? Have you done or not? Why? Next time it should not repeat weekly. Sit down. Huh? Have you got it? Why you taken plus? You did not change the sign? Have you got it? Answer matching? Got it? Okay. The next one. What is the next question? Minus plus x. Is the question? So we cannot factorize by the normal way? Yes or no? No. Can we do? B square minus 4ac. Yes, we can do. What is the discriminant? 9. Discriminant will be what? B square, 1 square minus 4ac. So 1 plus 8, 9. 9 is a perfect square. Remember all of you? If it's a perfect square, 100% you can do by factorization. No need of doing any other drama. Only thing we have to multiply there. 2 and minus 2, so minus 2. So we have to break this one as a what? 2. So we can write 2x minus x. Yes or no? So we'll get 2x square plus 2x minus x minus 1 less than 0. 2x common, x plus 1 minus common, x plus 1 less than 0. X plus 1 common, 2x minus 1 less than 0. Critical point, minus 1, half, positive, negative, positive. We want negative, so x element of minus 1 to half. How many of you got it? Next question. X plus 3. X plus 3 the whole square. Yes. We have to make it polynomial inequality. Shift here. We'll get what? X plus 3 the whole square minus 4 greater than 0. So we'll get x plus 3 the whole square minus 2 square greater than 0. A square minus b square formula. What will come? X plus 3 plus 2. So x plus 5. X plus 3 minus 2. X plus 1 greater than 0. Critical point, minus 5, minus 1. Positive, negative, positive. X element of minus infinity to minus 5 open, union minus 1 to infinity. How many of you got this? Clear? Next. 2x plus 1 the whole square. Right? Right now, this is not polynomial inequality. See, remember, I'm not saying this is the only way to solve. Once we'll go step by step, we can solve this question by modulus method also. There is a different way. But right now, our concentration is only polynomial inequality. So first we have to convert polynomial, we shift this side. We'll get 2x plus 1 the whole square minus x plus 5 the whole square greater than 0. A square minus b square formula. What will come? First bracket, 2x plus 1 plus x plus 5. Is it clear? Other one, 2x plus 1 minus x minus 5 greater than 0. So this will become 3x plus 6 into x minus 4 greater than 0. Is this clear to everybody? Critical point of this, minus 2. This is 4. Minus 2, 4, positive, negative, positive. We want positive. So x element of minus infinity to minus 2, union 4 to infinity. How many of you got it? Next. X square greater than 5. We have to solve this one. So it's not polynomial inequality. I will shift to other side. Achha, how to factorize this? A square minus b square formula. So we'll say x square minus root 5 the whole square greater than 0. Break in linear factor, x minus root 5, x plus root 5 greater than 0. Critical point, minus root 5 plus root 5, positive, negative, positive. X element of minus infinity to minus root 5, union root 5 to infinity. How many of you got it? Next. That's all. Okay. Now, the next thing, till now whatever question I discuss, if you notice, stop writing and concentrate. Whatever question I discuss, they are only greater than I use or less than. I never use greater than equal to. I never use less than equal to, but that also can be happen. So let's understand that scenario, how we are going to talk here. First thing, if I say A greater than equal to B, what does mean it? Can I speak like this? A greater than B and equal to B. A greater than B and equal to B. No, or is there. See, in mathematics, or and having very important role. You cannot swap it, otherwise whole answer will change. You've seen also. Or means union, and means intersection, and means common value, or means anyone has to be true. So this meaning is that A is bigger than B or A is equal to B. Any one has to be true, because both cannot be true. Are you getting? Any one of it has to be true. So tell me, is this statement true? Speak. Is it true or not? Well, somebody saying no. No. Who is saying no? No, it may be no. I didn't disclose the answer. How many people are saying it's true? Raise your hand. Okay. Anybody? You are not raising hand. Yes, stand up. What's your name? Bhagya. According to you, is true statement or false? This statement is true or may not be. Sit down. See, when we learn any point, we should use it also. When I ask you, is this statement true? Immediately in our mind should come, 2 is either should be less than 3 or 2 equal to 3. Any statement true? Yes, 2 less than 3 statement is true. Yes or no? So we'll say that this is a true statement. 1 has to be true. Out of this, 1 has to be true. Is it clear? Tell me. 5 greater than equal to 5. True, because 1 is the true. 3 less than equal to 5. Sorry. Greater than equal to 5. False. Neither 3 greater than 5 nor equal to 5. So it's a false statement. Are you getting my point? So whenever you are writing one statement, its statement have some meaning, and that meaning you have to put up. Now imagine, if suppose I am asking question x square minus 1 greater than equal to 0. Please don't try to solve, just concentrate fully. X square minus 1 greater than equal to 0. I want to solve this question. Okay. Polynomial inequality will apply. Let's apply. Actually, this question, can I say this question having two parts? 1x square minus 1 greater than 0 or x square minus 1 equal to 0? Yes or no? I will solve this. When this is true, can I write direct answer? Minus infinity to minus 1, union 1 to infinity. Nothing I did. I just polynomial inequality I apply. Are you getting my point? And can we solve this? X equal to minus 1 or plus 1. As you know, R means union. The x element of minus infinity to minus 1, union 1 to infinity. Now for this R, union, this I want to write. Slightly change, watch it carefully. What does mean it? X is between A and B. A and B are not included, yes or no? If I say, what does mean it? A, again between A and B. But this time A and B are included. If suppose I say x equal to a, b, c, or let's take only a, b. I want to write this in this format. So we'll say x element of set of. Have you heard set? Collection. So three brackets are there in mathematics. One is called as the open bracket. This is called as the open bracket. It's used for using the interval, inequality. This is called as the closed bracket. This is also used for the inequality. But only difference, this tell you the between what numbers. Extreme we are leaving. This says you between what numbers, including this extreme also. And this says what? Only extreme. It does not include a and between a and b. Do you understand my point? All of you understood or not? Are you getting it? Okay. Tell me, this can we write in different way? By actually this means what? This or this. Okay, leave it. This point is clear. Up can, how will write this? Curly bracket. I hope everybody understood. Up. When I look this, I think unnecessary why stupidity I am doing. Separately why I am doing. Actually what do you want? You want that ki -1 and 1 you want to include. Yes or no? So in place of including separately, why not include here itself? So this answer I can write x element of -infinity to -1 close, union close 1 to infinity. Both answer are same or not? Please check their free. See, method and all is very easy in mathematics. Once you learn method, you can apply. The main problem where the people face problem, the fundamental thing. What mean by what? Exact crystal clear idea should be there. Like polynomial inequality solving, that is the, nothing is there, just certain steps is there. Like robotic, you just apply, get the answer. But the real mathematics is these things, which you have to understand what does mean by this, what is the other way to express. So, whenever greater than equal to is coming, it means you have to use close bracket. Understood my point? So, what I will try to tell you, for this kind of bracket, use open bracket. For this kind of the symbol, use close bracket. Only difference, that's all, nothing else. But always remember, this should be used only on numerator critical point. In future, there will be term in denominator. So that critical point, we cannot use the close bracket. Close bracket should be used only on numerator. And close bracket never come on plus minus infinity. Plus minus infinity always open. Tell me why. First lecture itself I told, nothing can be equal to infinity. So if you put close at infinity, it means you are saying ki x equal to infinity. Which I told you ki equal symbol cannot be used for infinity comparison. So this is what the points here should be clear. So write down this point, it's very important. Doubt? Means right now that is not part, you don't have to worry about that. What I'm trying to say, suppose x square minus 1 by x plus 3 is coming. So x plus 3 critical point will be what? Minus 3. But that is the critical point of denominator term. So there close bracket never come. Only open bracket. Only open bracket. Don't bother. This part, don't bother. Once I will come to that point, you'll understand. Just write it. Just keep it aware. This line you may not understand fully. Don't worry. Once we'll come to that part, you'll understand. That's I will tell. Over. Done, everybody? Can I change the page? Suppose question is coming, x square minus 3x plus 2 into x plus 7 greater than equal to 0. So usually solve, no change. Break in linear factor, x minus 1, x minus 2, x plus 7 greater than equal to 0. Yes or no? Coefficient of x must be positive, already positive. Find the critical point, plot it, positive, negative, positive, negative. What is the answer? X element of where to where? Which will select? Positive, no? So this one and this one. So what is the answer you're going to do? Stop writing. Minus 7 to 1. But this is greater than equal to 0. So minus 7 open or close? Speak. Close. So minus 7 close to minus, sorry, to 1 union 2 open or close? Till infinity. Infinity open or close? Open. Infinity always open. This is the answer. This is the only difference. Nothing much. Is this clear to everybody? So whenever greater than equal to is coming, you have to use this kind of things. solve this equation? No talking. Have doubt? This is factorization is problem. Check carefully. Over. Why taking this much time, we? Simple question. First one, I guess everybody got it. X common, I'll get x minus 3 less than equal to 0. Critical point 0 and 3. Positive, negative, positive. We want negative. The x element of close 0 to 3 close. How many of you got it? Next question. This cannot be factorized easily. So we'll say that the factor will be x minus alpha, x minus beta greater than equal to 0. Yes or no? We have to calculate alpha beta. So alpha beta will be what? Minus b means minus 1 plus minus root of b square 1 minus 4ac means 21 divided by 2. So this question becomes something like this. X minus 1 plus root 21 by 2 into x minus 1 minus root 21 by 2 greater than equal to 0. Am I right? Plot the critical point in increasing order. The smallest one will be negative 1, minus 1 minus root 21 by 2 and minus 1 plus root 21 by 2. Positive, negative, positive. We want positive. X element of minus infinity to minus 1 minus root 21 by 2 close union close minus 1 plus root 21 by 2 to infinity. How many of you got this answer? Anyone have doubt, please ask. Any step have doubt, please ask. What is the critical point? Critical point when this will be 0. This will be 0 only when x equal to this.
Which one will come in the left side? Like which is smaller than the other?
What is this? What is this value? Minus 1 plus root. This positive value or negative?
Oh, okay. That's nice.
Anybody else have doubt? Next question. X plus 5 whole square greater than equal to 4. X plus 5 the whole square greater than equal to 4. Yes? Shifting one side, we'll get x plus 5 the whole square minus 2 square greater than equal to 0. So a square minus b square formula. So x plus 7, x plus 3 greater than equal to 0. Critical point minus 7 minus 3. Positive, negative, positive. X element of minus infinity to minus 7 close union minus 3 close to infinity. How many of you got it? So this part I hope everybody understood. Is it clear? Okay. Now, how many of you got all three correct? Okay. How many correct? Now, but sometime what can happen, till now whatever the question we are doing, there everything was there in the denominator, nothing was there. But that is not necessary. It can come anything. Suppose question come. Don't try. This one. Generally, if I have to solve this, what we used to do? First we used to multiply it here. Yes or no? Without any problem, and we'll get the answer this. No issue. No issue at all. Answer is this. Can we multiply it here? Can we do same way? What rest? Why you want to rationalize? No, I'm not asking you how to do. I'm asking Can I multiply here? Yes or no? Okay. Can I multiply? Can I multiply? Means this question will become, all of you are sleeping. Are negative quantity, if you multiply other side of inequality, sign of inequality has to change. Why you people are sleeping? Whenever we suppose I say 1 by minus 2 greater than 0, sorry, less than 0. Of course, this is true. Can I multiply? Yes, sir. Can we do like this? Here you are saying no because you are seeing that, oh, some blunder happening. But actual logic, try to understand. You multiply a negative quantity, so sign of inequality must reverse. So here if I ask, can you multiply other side? You say yes. Take pause and give answer. Never give answer immediately. This minus 3, to first think what we are multiplying. We are multiplying a negative quantity. Yes, you can multiply, but you have to change the sign of inequality. Now again coming to this. Can I multiply this here? No, because I do not know it's positive or negative. Here I can multiply. Here also I can multiply but change the sign. I don't have any information that kx plus 3 is positive or negative. So I don't know after multiplication sign will change or not. Is it clear? Here does not matter because positive or negative anything going to multiply equal to 0. Because equal symbol if you turn also it will be equal only. Mathematics says whenever any negative quantity multiply or divide, sign of comparison will turn 180 degree. If this you turn 180 degree, meaning is different. This you change, turn 180 degree, meaning is different. But if this you turn 180 degree, meaning does not differ, is not going to be changed. It's not that it's not turning here. Here also happening. But it does not make any difference. But here, I don't know it's positive or negative. So we cannot multiply. Are you able to understand? Fixed rule in any inequality, either polynomial, logarithmic, modulus, in future trigonometric, any quantity can be multiply or divide only when you are sure it will be positive only. Not for all. Is this clear? So we cannot multiply. So if we cannot multiply, how to solve it? Same way, no change. Break in linear factor, already linear factor. Find the critical point, yes. Critical point of this is minus 5, this is the minus 3. Speak out. Yes. So minus 5 first, then minus 3, positive, negative, positive. We want what? Positive. So x element of minus infinity. Since equal to, so I have to use close bracket. Minus 5. Can I put close? Yes. It's a numerator critical point. It's a minus 5 close. Union. Minus 3. Open or close? Open. Plus minus infinity and denominator critical point will be always open. So this will be minus 3 open to infinity. Did you understand? Yes. You may ask, sir, why not close? Are bhai, if you close, you mean to say that you are trying to say x can be equal to minus 3. X can be equal to, but x equal to minus 3, if you put, what will happen? It will blast. Mathematics say, I don't know what you are writing. Because from the, in the day 1 I told you, mathematics never allowed denominator should be 0. So if I will put close here, means I am going to make denominator 0. And denominator 0, it will become not defined. That's why denominator critical point is always open. So where it's open, always plus infinity, minus infinity and speak denominator critical point. Is that clear? So that is what you do. No, all other is the same. No other difference. Exactly same thing. Write it. Let's say other question. X square minus 1 divided by x square minus 5x plus 6 less than equal to 0. Right? So step is same. Break in linear factor x minus 1, x plus 1, denominator x minus 2, x plus x minus 3 less than equal to 0, critical point 1, minus 1, 2, 3. So minus 1, 2, 3. Oh, sorry. Minus 1, 1, 2, and 3. Is this clear? After largest positive sign and then alternate sign. Less than equal to 0 means negative. So x element of minus 1 to 1. Minus 1 open or close? Speak open. 1 minus 1 open or close? Open or close? Arey bhai, this is the numerator critical point. No? It will be close. Union 2 to 3. Open or close? Speak open. This is the answer. Is everybody understood? Get the answer of this question. It's wrong. Factor, factor. You are not able to factorize properly. Question is? Done? Check it here. X by, this is the a square minus b square formula. So 2 minus x, 2 plus x greater than 0. Coefficient of x must be positive. Remember all of you? So minus common from here and throw other side. Critical point, minus 2, 0, 2. We want negative. No confusion of open close because only less than 0. Yes or no? Everywhere it will be open. So it will be minus infinity to minus 2, union 0 to 2 is the answer. How many of you got it? Everywhere open. It's only less than 0, na? Equal to 0 is not there. Am I clear? Please keep quiet. After this, I am not going to repeat. I will send out of class. Okay. I hope all of you understood the meaning of division. Is it clear? Now, let's go ahead. Can you solve this question? Or let's make a little bit more dirty. First thing, what is the formula? A cube minus B cube. Yes? A cube plus B cube. Those who forgot this formula, please write in your copy and remember every time. Now listen. I will factorize this can be done x cube minus 1 cube. So a cube minus b cube formula, I will get x minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1 divided by x plus 3 less than equal to 0. Up there is a problem. What is the problem, sir? This bracket cannot be factorized. This bracket cannot be factorized. Why? Because it's having imaginary roots. It's having, Please stop writing and look, because I'm not solving, I'm going to teach you some concept. Let me show you something. Suppose I say I want to solve this question. Correct? And again I ask you, solve this question. Is these two are same question or different question? Same question, by these three can we throw other side? Why can we throw x minus 1 other side? Why we are not able to throw x minus 1 but able to throw 3? Because 3 we know it's positive. X minus 1 we do not know. Any bracket whose sign is unknown cannot be shifted to other side. But any bracket whose sign is known can be shifted to other side. Let me tell you other way. If I say I have to solve this question, I can throw this to other side. Think why? X square is always positive quantity. X square plus 1 is always bigger than 1. So it will be always positive. If it's always positive, inequality say, if you are not going to change your sign, you are useless for me. You can throw to the other side. Means this question can be written this way. Not getting my point. Are you getting my point? Any bracket which does not change its sign is no use in the inequality. That can be thrown to other side. Actually, this bracket does not change its sign, can be thrown. If I say I have to solve this question, I will say x square minus 1 into x square plus 1 divided by x greater than equal to 0. I will say x minus 1, x plus 1. I will not able to factorize this. X square plus 1 divided by x greater than equal to 0. And then I can say that x square plus 1 is always positive. So can be divided other side. Are you able to understand my point? So this question will become x minus 1, x plus 1 by x greater than equal. Divided to other side means x 0 by x square plus 1 will become 0. Now critical point we can plot it minus 1, 0, 1 and all other drama same thing. Positive we want the x element of minus 1 close, 0 open, union 1 close to infinity will be answer. Do you understand? Any bracket which does not change its sign cannot play any role in the inequality, can be thrown to other side. But the problem is that identification. Here we identify easily. It's not, it never changes its sign. We should have some logic by which we can identify other cases also. First write down this example properly, neat and clean, and then we'll go ahead. Whatever, x is 0 also doesn't matter, no? If x is 0, x square plus 1 will be 1 only, no? It's not going to be 0. Are you getting? Yeah, yeah. Element means it's a collection from this. X belongs from this. Yeah. Clear? Now, every quadratic we should know how to identify. It's always positive or not. Any quadratic whose discriminant is negative, they will be either always positive or always negative. Any quadratic whose discriminant is negative will be either always positive or always. See, x square plus 1, we know it's positive. We didn't use any quadratic logic. What we say? Bhaiya, x square is always positive. So plus 1 will be always positive. But if you think from quadratic point of view, this can be done this way. Speak out. What will be discriminant? 0 square minus 4ac. D is minus C negative. Whenever D negative, it will be always positive or always negative. So what is the rule for this? So let's understand why that rule is there. That you will understand the chapter in the quadratic when we learn the graph. By the graph method you will understand. But for time being, any quadratic ax square plus bx plus c, if discriminant of this quadratic is less than 0, then check the sign of a. If a greater than 0, so we'll say ax square plus bx plus c will be always positive. And if a less than d less than 0 as well as a less than 0, so we'll say ax square plus bx plus c will be always negative. Have you understand? So any quadratic when d less than 0 we cannot factorize. So it means immediately we'll check it's always positive or always negative. If it's always positive, I can throw other side. If it is always negative, then also I can throw, but change the sign of inequality because you are throwing a negative quantity. Do you understand the points? Write this. Done? Let us come back to that question. X cube minus 1 by x plus 3 less than equal to 0. Watch it. I will solve. First thing, this is the 1 cube. So we'll say x minus 1, x square plus x plus 1 divided by x plus 3 less than equal to 0. Am I right? Now, this cannot be factorized. Immediately think ki x square plus x plus 1. What is the discriminant of this? Speak. Minus 3. Negative. Am I right? What is the coefficient of x square? Means which case matching? D less than 0 and A greater than 0. Are you getting my point? So D less than 0, A greater than 0 case matching. It means it's always positive. Is always positive. So this can be thrown to other side. So we'll get what? X minus 1 by x plus 3 less than equal to 0. Have you understand? Now critical point will be minus 3 and 1. Positive, negative, positive, we want negative. X element of minus 3 open, 1 close. Is this clear to everybody? Suppose I say question comes this way. Please do not discuss. I will solve it. Please watch. So much dirty. First, let's write neat and clean. X I can take common. So 1 minus 3x. Speak out. This is, can we write minus 3x square plus x plus 7. Quadratic should be always written in the decreasing order of the power. Greater than equal to 0. Yes or no? If you talk this part separately, minus 3x square plus x plus 7. What is the a here? Minus 3. What is the d here? 1 square minus 4 into a. Minus 3 into 7. So d will be 1 minus, kitna aega? Something bigger. 21 into 84. Speak. 84 means d equal to minus 83. Less than 0. It's coming positive, something wrong. Let's change the question. Wait. Let's change the question. So, this will now correct. So, minus a. D is the negative. D negative and A is also negative. Means this bracket will be, stop writing. This bracket will be always negative. So, we can say minus 3x square plus x minus 7 is always negative. So, multiply other side. But what will happen? Sign will change. X into 1 minus 3x less than is equal to 0. Now, normal polynomial inequality. Break linear factor, already linear factor. Coefficient of x must be positive. Here negative minus common and throw other side. Is it clear to everybody? And then rest is done. 0, 1 by 3, positive, negative, positive. Final answer. X element of minus infinity to 0 close, union 1 by 3 close to infinity. I hope you understood. Just some extra information. The polynomial inequality, the basic logic is that only. But here and there something will be there which you have to update. Whenever you are not able to factorize any quadratic, it means there may be chance that D is negative. So that cases, D negative means it's a useless. We have to throw other side. Only thing we have to decide when we are throwing, sign of inequality will change or not. Am I clear? Any doubt? So write it. Then also, yes. Over. Now give the heading. Repeated critical point. Write down this. If any critical point repeat odd number of times, then it's called as normal critical point. Next line. If any critical point repeat even number of times, called as repeated critical point. So if any critical point repeat odd number of times, so it's a normal critical point. Normal means whatever we are doing till now. But if any critical point repeat even number of times, so it's called as a repeated critical point. What has to be done with the repeated critical point? We'll see. Wrote all of you? For example, suppose I have to solve this question. Watch everybody very carefully. X minus 1 power 7 into x plus 3 power 9 into x minus 4 power 11 greater than equal to 0. Please stop writing and watch it. Now actually first step is the break in linear factor. Of course we can break it. X minus 1, x minus 1, x minus 1. How many times? 7 times. So I'm not going to write. I hope you understood. If I'll write, whole whiteboard will go. So this factorization done in the mind. Now coefficient of x must be positive, already positive. Then find the critical point. This critical point 1, this is the minus 3, this is the 4. Speak out. Yes. One critical point repeated how many times? So it's a normal critical point. This is normal critical point. This is also normal. Means there is no repeated critical point. Normal critical point, same procedure. No change. We want positive, so x element of minus 3 close to 1 close, 4 into infinity. I hope everybody understood. Yes. So nothing confusion, it's done. Anyone have any problem? Okay. But imagine the question comes this way. Correct? Now again same drama, we have to break in linear factor. I am not breaking it. Coefficient of x must be positive, already positive. Write the critical point 1, minus 3, 2. Very concentrated. This is one of the difficult part of the polynomial inequality. What you are going to learn now. This is the difficult part. If this part understood, it's over. So pin drop concentration should be there. Otherwise it will bounce. Right now my speed is my 10% only. Means what the speed I used to teach, I am teaching at the speed of 10%. Polynomial inequality I used to teach in 35 minutes. So imagine this is the first initial lecture, so I am just teaching very slowly. And I know some of this speed itself, some of them finding it very fast. So if you want to catch me, your concentration level should be super. That's why I am saying don't discuss. Otherwise, suddenly everything will collapse. So please, if you want to catch me and you want to go with me, concentration should be very high. Because with the same speed, I will not teach throughout. Once you will start catching me, speed will keep increase. 3 months is more than enough to complete JEE syllabus. More than 3 months is not required at all, if your basic fundamental is strong. So that's what I am trying to do. I am trying to teach you basic fundamental, what is required for mathematics. Once all these things you know, is zoom. Nothing else is required. So please, again and again I am saying, do concentration. This habit, leave it. Partially, sometimes what we happen as a student, when we understood something partially, immediately start solving. Because we feel that, oh, I understood the idea, now I can solve it. Listen, it's not game, not over. Now, break in linear factor, in the mind we did, the critical point of this bracket is 1, this is -3, this is 2. 2 is repeated how many times? So it's a normal critical point, don't bother about it. -3, normal. 1, 2 times. So it means it's a repeated critical point. Achha. One idea somebody can have, maybe you are not asking, but maybe, sir, this is always positive. Speak out. Perfect square, no. Why you are keeping through other side? No. It's always, not always positive. It can be 0 also. Can it be 0 or not? I cannot throw. So, forget about the idea of throwing. Now, plot it. Smallest, -3. Then 1. Then 2. But 1 is a repeated critical point, just mark it. It's a repeated. Is it clear? Till now, nothing great I did. I just write critical point and plot it. After largest critical point, positive sign. Then alternate sign. Rule is for normal critical point. Repeated critical point say that sign will also repeat. Across normal critical point, sign alternate. Across repeated critical point, sign repeat. This is the only difference, that's all. This is normal or repeated? I said the concentration. This is normal or repeated? So sign alternate, means this will be negative. Now you are going to cross repeated or normal? Speak. So sign will not alternate, sign will also repeat. So here also, are you getting my point? Now, this is a normal or repeated? You are crossing normal, sign will alternate. Not getting my point. Are you getting my point? Write the critical point, then after that mark it. Whenever you are crossing a critical point, you ask him, are you normal or repeated? He say normal, to change your sign, other side. If he say no, I am repeated, so sign also repeat. This is a simple rule. Am I clear? Okay. Now what I want negative. Okay? So where is negative? Here. So x element of, speak out, -3, close. Till when? 1. 1 also close. Union. Again 1, 2. 2. Are you able to understand? Hold on. I'll give time for asking doubt. But it doesn't look like -3 to 1, then 1 to 2. Why writing separately? Can we write this way? Yes, we can write this. Is this point clear to everybody? First write it. Anybody have doubt? Somebody was asking some doubt or not? Huh. I'll come to that point. Wait, it's not over. Write it. First write it. Write this point clearly. Over. Finished? But this, as I told you, this is the most difficult part of the polynomial inequality. Same question, slight change. Last time we did what? Greater than equal to 0 or less than equal to 0? Less than equal to 0. Let's take greater than equal to 0. Please concentrate. Logic is same. Critical point 1, minus 3, 2. Plot in increasing order, the smallest minus 3, then 1, then 2. Here positive, and this is the repeated critical point. So this is the normal, so negative. This is repeated, so sign repeated. This is positive. Agree all of you? Now, I will say x element, we want positive, so these two are correct. X element of minus infinity to minus 3 close union 2 close to infinity. Yes or no? Any mistake? In the repeated critical point, there is a problem can happen. What problem? It's greater than equal to 0. Means I want those solution. You want to say something? Yes. This is greater than equal to 0. Means I want it should be positive or 0. Positive it will take care. Or 0 you have to always verify. In case of only in case of repeated critical point. When this quantity can be 0? 1, minus 3 and 2. So 1 minus 3 and 2 should be part of solution or not? X equal to 1 minus 2, 3 should be part of solution. Yes or no? Yes. Like in previous also that was there. 1 minus 3, 2 part of the should be part of solution. Is it part of solution or not? See, 2 included, minus 3 included, and 1 is also there inside. Here verify, is the available 3 available? Yes. Sorry, क्या mistake here? -3, this is 2. Yeah. Huh. -3 available? Yes, available. 2 available? Yes, available. 1 available? No, 1 is missing. 1 is, you know why it used to be happen? Because this area you are not entering. You are just going here and then full jump here. So this part miss out. So this you have to do. 1 is missing. Okay, I will add from my side. This is the final answer. Do you understand? So polynomial equality is over, but we need to do some questions more on this. There are the key. You will not get confidence immediately on this. So it will take little bit time. Miss, half an hour more is needed. We'll be doing tomorrow. Today you will have the worksheet, the polynomial inequalities. Okay. Around 50 questions are there. All of you bring the worksheet notebook. Now you don't have to submit. You have to solve it. And next class we'll discuss all the questions of the worksheet. Is it?